Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that's been a trusted name for years, the Hawkins 3-liter inner lid pressure cooker in stainless steel. If you're looking to speed up your cooking, enhance nutrition, and add a durable, reliable appliance to your kitchen, then this cooker might just be what you need. We'll explore its design, its features, and whether it truly lives up to the Hawkins reputation. Let's start with the basics. This is a 3-liter pressure cooker, which Hawkins states is ideal for families of 3 or 4 persons. This size is a sweet spot for many households, not too small to be restrictive, and not so large that it becomes cumbersome for everyday use. It's a versatile size for preparing a variety of dishes, from dals and rice to vegetables and even some meats. Now, let's talk about what truly sets this pressure cooker apart, and that's its construction. Hawkins uses what they call 18CR/8NI AISI 304 food-grade stainless steel for both the body and the lid. This is a premium material, and the benefits are significant. Firstly, it means the cooker will stay bright and attractive over time. You won't have to worry about it pitting or corroding, which is a common issue with lower quality materials. This also translates to hygiene. Stainless steel is inherently easy to clean and doesn't harbor bacteria easily, making it a safe choice for preparing food. The polished finish looks elegant on any stovetop and is built to last. A key feature that contributes to both longevity and performance is the extra thick sandwich bottom. This isn't just any bottom. It's designed to heat evenly, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly without hot spots that can lead to burning. Crucially, it's engineered to stay flat, meaning you won't experience the frustrating bulging that can happen with thinner-bottomed cookware, especially on induction cooktops. This feature also makes it perfectly safe for light and deep frying before you even begin the pressure cooking process, adding another layer of versatility. You can sear your aromatics or fry your pakoras directly in the cooker before adding your other ingredients and sealing it for pressure cooking. The inner lid design is another point of consideration. Inner lid pressure cookers generally offer a tighter seal and a more controlled pressure release compared to some older outer lid designs. This contributes to safety and efficiency. And speaking of efficiency, Hawkins has incorporated an improved pressure regulator. This small but vital component plays a significant role in saving fuel. By maintaining a consistent and optimal pressure, it means the cooker cooks faster and requires less energy to do so, which is a win for your wallet and the environment. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Hawkins 3-liter inner lid pressure cooker. On the positive side, the build quality is exceptional. That 304 stainless steel construction is a major advantage, offering durability, hygiene, and a consistently attractive appearance. The sandwich bottom is a standout feature, providing even heating and preventing warping, which is crucial for long-term performance and compatibility with various stovetops, including induction. The versatility of being able to fry in it before pressure cooking is also a great convenience. The improved pressure regulator is a testament to Hawkins' commitment to efficiency, saving you energy and time. It's also designed for families of 3 to 4, making it a practical size for many households. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few considerations. While the stainless steel is excellent, some users might find the initial learning curve with pressure cookers, especially inner lid designs, to be a bit steeper than with simpler cookware. The 3-liter capacity, while ideal for many, might be a tad small for larger families or for batch cooking very large quantities. Finally, while it's built to last, the initial investment might be higher compared to some basic aluminum pressure cookers, but we believe the longevity and quality justify the price. In conclusion, the Hawkins 3-liter inner lid pressure cooker, HSS3W, is a robust and high-performing kitchen appliance. Its superior stainless steel construction, intelligent sandwich bottom, and efficient pressure regulation make it a worthy investment for anyone who values durability, safety, and convenience in their cooking. It's a cooker that's built to be a reliable workhorse in your kitchen for years to come. Link in the description.